Hey, if you're watching this video, you must live in North Ridgeville and you're interested in getting your roof replaced and you're wondering what the heck's that going to cost? Well, hey, we're here with Jeff right now from Triple Peaks. And can you give somebody an idea what's it going to be in North Ridgeville?
Yeah.
And obviously depends on the size.
Now, there's always averages to every project that's out there.
Sure.
If there's a tradesperson that tells you there's not an average, then, well, maybe something's wrong.
Okay.
So take like the typical about 2,200 square foot home.
Okay.
Gonna run you about $15,000 to get it a one layer torn off and put back.
So that is tear off, getting it prepped and all that. Now, of course, if there's something wrong with the roof or it needs some extra plywood, is that already figured into your?
Yeah. So what we do is when we first come out to your house,
Yeah.
we're asking a tremendous amount of questions
Okay.
to deep dive into what your home actually needs. But one of the things that we can do while we're there, and it goes into our contract, we know exactly how many sheets of plywood. If every sheet was bad, here's a do not exceed number, and your roof is never going to cost more than that.
Okay.
So right up front, if the roof is $14,000 and you have so many sheets of plywood on it, which makes your roof.
Sure.
We know that because we know how many squares of shingles we got to put on.
But of course, realistically, not every piece of plywood is going to have to be.
1 in 100 roofs that we do need all plywood taken off and put back.
If there's a portion of the roof that's kind of squishy when you're on it and you know that's bad, I mean, can you say, hey, listen, we're probably going to have to this.
Yeah.
Just so somebody knows what it's going to cost.
We'll
That's
take a
great.
video on the roof.
Yeah.
We're going to show you, hey, here's a spot right here that we think is bad.
Yep.
We know you're going to need at least 1 or 2 sheets. And that way, it's not coming at you afterwards and like, oh my gosh, I have to refinance my home.
Yeah, right, sure.
For all this extra wood
That's
or extras. So we try to get that out of the way.
That's good. What swings price? What goes crazy in terms of the materials and such? Are there particular?
There has been. Materials when I first started was like when milk was a quarter, or when your dad tells you, oh, I got a loaf of bread for 10 cents.
Yeah.
Like in my own experience, I'm rebuilding a home because we had a house fire in February, and I estimate things for a living. That's what I do in our company. Like our drywall is $10,000 more than what I thought.
Because it swings a lot in this economic environment today.
That's
and tariffs and all that stuff. We're not sure what's going on.
Yeah, our gas fireplace had a $950 tariff on it, so we paid $950 more just for our gas fireplace.
Oh boy, well, that's great, huh?
The lucky thing is the plant that we use, or the shingles that we use, is manufactured at Certainty, and the majority of our shingles come right out of Sandusky, Ohio.
Oh, that's great. That's fantastic.
No tariffs on that, but we are paying the tariffs for the oils and the things like that goes into it.
But bottom line, about $14,000.
$14,000.
And but when you guys come out and give your estimate and all, you're going to build in some stuff just in case.
Yep.
We do have to replace some plywood or what have you.
That way, the unknowns become the known.
Yeah, and that's what folks just need to know.
Yeah.
They need to know the unknowns, basically. So.
And in today's environment, we're all cost affected. We go to the grocery store, we pay 2 times more than what we used to pay.
Yeah.
So,
but now you do know what Triple Peak is about, and you're probably maybe going to want to get them involved if you got a roofing project. Phone call, or
you can give us a call or text at 440-925-0386. We look forward to hearing from you.